Hi, and welcome to my March update for my journey to £50 per month of dividend income, which I'm looking to build up for 2026 to hit £600 in total, hence the £50 per month on average. And all this is to aim to eventually end up with anywhere between £1,000 to £2,000 per year. That will help supplement my income in retirement. So I'm just recording my journey to it, and for 2026, that's the target. It's £50 per month on average. So what did I get for March? Here are all the ones that I have achieved in March. So Alphabet, not very much there, a penny. I have two Invesco All World ETFs. This one obviously is the distributing one. I've got 100 in both, so I got 37p. Barclays 56. Meta, there's two shares there with 67p. PayPal has come in with 71. Games Workshop, I do show my buys and sells. So in February, I sold out of Games Workshop. I did have two shares and I sold them. So this is probably the only dividend I'm going to get from Games Workshop unless I rebuy back in. Microsoft at 116. Shell, I'm also going to do a buys and sells. So you might see Shell appear on there for March. So I get £1.95p. Visa at 2.13. BP at 2.49. Realty Income, I get that every month at 2.76. I haven't bought or sold anything from Realty Income this year. If the share price was to fall, I'll probably buy some more of that. And Imperial Brands, the highest payer for March at 401, which takes me to 1782 for the month of March. So good news, I broke £10, nowhere near the 50 though. So let's have a look against the target. So you can see it is my second best month, so beats February, but not by much. So you can see I am way down on the average today. I've also got 25 in blue. So you can see the nearest I've got to £50 was in November last year at 43. So really, to pull that gap back, I need a very strong May and June, which I believe I'm going to get. If you see my buys and sells and where I've done it, I think you'll be able to see where I've got confidence that I will outperform in May and June. That will pull me back to the target, because on a cumulative basis, you can see at the moment I am £85 behind that average at the moment in terms of year to date. That is growing every single month, because it would do, because I've been comfortably behind. So you know, that needs to go some to pull that one back, and I'm still hopeful I can. So that's where I'm at. It's a short and sharp one for March. I think it'll be even shorter in April. So if you want to look at my buys and sells, and also a full portfolio review for 9 months, because I've held this account for 9 months, I'll post those in the comments box. But until later, happy investing and good luck.